Welcome back. We're going to be talking about some jellyfish tips and tricks.
Hey Dad, how do you make a blizzard in Houston?
With the jellyfish.
Dun dun dun!
Alright, digging back in, just like last time, we're going to start a new preset. We're going to set the zones we want to preview them on, and we're going to go straight to our color screen and fill it up with as many cells as we can. For this instance, we're going to start with them all blue. Next, we're going to make the blizzard part of the animation, which is alternating gray, white, and black cells. To animate this, we'll go back, select chase, and the color transformation will set to progression with about a 9 count. Because we have so many blue cells and so few white, it will look like it's a blue static look with the occasional wave of white or blizzard running through it. With the blizzard created, we can go back and make the rest of it more interesting by adding some blues, maybe some greens, whatever colors you'd like to slowly fade the rest of the look. And just like that, we have a windy blizzard on our home in Houston, Texas. Of course, I use jellyfish lights as a small part of my overall displays, and I always think they look great mixed together. Happy holidays from our family to yours.